Hi, I'm Dom.
And I'm Dr. Grant.
And we're here to talk to you about our exciting new pouch packaging and how we're making fresh even better. Rest assured, we're still using the same real human quality meat as usual from the same trusted suppliers and still gently cooking recipes in our UK kitchen with the same recipes and ingredients. No shortcuts, no compromise. But we've changed our cooking method, returning to a cook-in-pouch process and versatile chunky texture, which is why the packaging looks a bit different too.
This means you'll now have more choice and flexibility when serving our fresh food. You can easily heat up meals with hot water or a microwave, or plate up straight from the fridge if your cat prefers their food cold. And if your cat likes a finer texture, just add water and mix with a fork to their preferred consistency, or knead the pouch a little before serving to smush up their food.
We're so excited about this next step in our journey and how this will help us change even more cats' lives. And to make this switch as smooth as possible, your next box will contain around 7 days of trays alongside our new pouches, plus a free jar of sprinkles, to give you and your cat plenty of time to switch over to our new pouch packaging. We also recommend using the same method and advice that worked best when your cat first started eating KatKin. And some cats won't need any extra help at all, so just see what works best for you and your cat.
And if you need a recap, today we're going to be serving up Molly's breakfast while going over our top tips. So let's get started. Just like the trays, each pouch is split into 2 perfect servings, one for breakfast and one for dinner. Together they provide your cat with all their personal daily calorie and nutritional needs. So tear apart, then place the remaining half back in the fridge until dinner time, or until your cat demands it. Then just snip with scissors and serve. Simple. First, start with their favourite recipe. Warm up the food by mixing it with a few tablespoons of boiling water, or plate it up, pop it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Top their food with sprinkles, and if your cat is allergic to chicken, you can also crush up salmon nibbles and put these on top too. Give your cat plenty of space to try the food in their own time and at their own pace. Plus, the chunky texture of our fresh food is really versatile, so you can use a fork to cut up the food or knead the pouch a little before serving. Molly likes her meals chunky, so we're only fluffing it up slightly here. You can also use the trays supplied in your box to gradually mix in the new food if your cat would prefer a slower switch.
And remember, our team of dedicated cat experts is on hand to help at every step of the way. So get in touch if you have any questions or need any more tips.
And thank you for joining us on our mission to make hardcore love the new standard in cat care. We could not continue the fight for fresh without you or the rest of our incredible community.